Okay, I was running the IRC VE35 front and running the Luckies in the forks. The IRC would let go on me. This Michelin Medium 9100, it's working. I like it. I'm on a 302 stroke, so the rear end's got a lot of push. Yeah, it works. Eliminated the problem of it. Basically, the front end was letting go on me. I've had no problem with it doing it with the Michelin on there. I'm not real big into the Starcross 5 in the back. I'm running the IRC VE33S Yakota. But yeah, just giving my thoughts on front tire. Thank you.